The mill turn product in Mastercam 2026 now includes the full suite of surface rough, surface finish, and wireframe toolpaths. Here's a quick overview of what's available. We can see in the top ribbon bar that we have a host of new toolpaths available to us. Flowline is a popular toolpath that is now available inside the mill turn product. Let's go ahead and select it to cut this feature on the part. If you've used Flowline toolpath before, you'll notice that the geometry selection is unchanged. To align with the mill turn workflow, some features typically found on the Toolpath Parameters tab have been relocated to the Setup tab. These features include selecting the axis combination, rotary axis settings, and plane selection. Our feature is on the top of our part, so we can use the plane rotation method and the top tool plane. Simply set the toolpath parameters up as normal, regenerate, backplot, and see the results.